And some more breaking news is coming in. Bengal Minorities Commission team has reached the Nadia convent. The State Minorities Commission panel will now be probing the nun gang rape case. This is the latest information that we're in fact getting in that gang rape case of a nun. The Bengal Minorities Commission team has reached the Nadia convent. The State Minorities panel will be probing the nun rape case. My colleague Indrajit Kundu joins me with all the details. Indrajit, take us through the latest.
Well, the West Bengal team of West Bengal Minorities Commission reached the convent to take stock of the situation.
Right.
And after meeting with all the missionaries inside and Sister Shanti, who is the principal of this convent, they came out just a short while back and they spoke to us. They said that they will prepare a report and submit it to the Chief Minister with their recommendations. They are also going to send a copy of it to the National Minorities Commission. But what came out of the meeting, basically, they said that the missionaries were, in fact, satisfied with the probe. This is what the West Bengal Minorities Commission chairperson told us when she came out. However, the stark irony of the fact is that most of the students and missionaries we spoke ourselves, they were pretty disappointed with the CID probe, and they have now been demanding CBI probe. So you can imagine the government organizations sticking their neck out for the CID, saying that a lot of actions were being taken.
Right.
The State Minorities Commission Vice Chairperson also drew parallels with the Delhi church vandalism. She also said that this attack does not look like one which was aimed only as a sexual violence, but also as something to desecrate the church with a larger motive.
Right, absolutely. And the state government, Indrajit, specifically has been facing a lot of flack over the incident. And given the fact that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself visited the site of crime, she also visited the victim. Clearly, the state government doesn't want to appear to be losing ground, doesn't want to appear to be looking like it's lackadaisical in dealing with this particular matter.
Well, absolutely not. From the very beginning, ever since the news broke of this incident, we've seen how Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee did not waste any time in, giving a statement condemning the incident. And then yesterday she came down, the DGP of State Police, he came down here, CID probe was ordered. So they could sense how sensitive this matter is going to turn into. This has got international ramifications. The religious of Jesus and Mary, the sect that we are talking about, they have their headquarters in Rome. And this is of course going to give, bring a bad name to the Trinamool government here as far as women's security is concerned. The opposition, of course, doesn't want to, lose out on this opportunity in hitting out against the government. And we've seen how the kind of protest that took place yesterday. So there is anger, and the government had to respond, in a sense, was forced to respond after this incident.
All right, Indrajit Kundu, appreciate you joining us with those details. The Bengal Minority Commission team there reaches to probe into the nun gang rape case. We're going to continue to track developments on that story very closely.